So we are going to draw 60-degree angle using compass. First of all, we can draw a line. Here is a point. Now we take compass and place it on this point, and we draw a arc around this point. So it is intersecting at 2 points here and here. From here, keeping the compass size same, we can draw one arc here, one arc here. So this one would be 60-degree. This one would be 60-degree. This is 60-degree. And if you want to draw 120-degree, then this one is 120-degree. This one is 120-degree. And if you want, you can measure these angles. This point should lie here, and this is 60-degree. And if you see here, it is 120-degree. This one is 60-degree and this one is 120-degree. Similarly, we can draw 90-degree. For 90-degree, we can draw a line, and this is the point. This is the point, and on this point we draw an arc. Keep this compass same. So size of the arc is same. One point here, and from here one here. So this one is 60-degree. This one is 120-degree. If I bisect these two, keep compass here, this, and from here this point. Now we join this line. This is 90-degree. So this is 90-degree angle. We can measure it. This point should lie over here, and this line should coincide with the line that we have drawn. So you can see that this is 90-degree. So we have learned how to draw 60-degree, 120-degree and 90-degree. There is other method also. If we have to draw 90-degree, there is other method also if we have to draw 90-degree. First of all, I will draw a line. Here there is one point. Now take the compass and draw an arc of any radius. Now you can increase the size of the arc. It should be at least more than half, because if it is not more than half, then two lines would not bisect or cut each other. So, and from here, this point, this is over the line, this point, draw this arc. For both this one and this one, I have kept the arc same. So now if we draw this, this is also another way to make 90-degree angle.